Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. You might be thinking of getting a part-time job or something to fill your spare time. Today, I'm gonna share something you might want to consider. Previously, I've shared about how to apply for a work-from-home job at Appen. Today, I'm gonna share about Remotasks. This is a micro-jobs website operated by Scale Labs Incorporated. They provide platform for employers and workers where employers post tasks and workers complete those tasks to get paid. Remotasks offers various tasks such as moderating content, transcribing audios, image tagging, annotation jobs, and many more that any worker can complete and get paid. Before their update, in order to sign up, you must have a Facebook account to complete your registration. Now, you can use either your Gmail or Facebook account. I'll be using my Gmail account to sign up. Verify your account, choose your country, and enter your phone number. Enter the verification code sent via SMS, and you're done. Complete your details here like your legal name and payment information. Once you're done, you may take the Intro to Remotasks course. This course will guide you on how to navigate the website. Make sure to read and understand before you finish the course. Once done, you may review or close the course and start training for one of these projects. You may choose from categorization, where you sort out things to which category it belongs to. Annotation or image annotation. These tasks include drawing a line around an object in an image. Most of the time, you will be asked to draw lines around vehicles on the road. Audio or image transcriptionist. It involves typing what you hear from an audio or what is written in an image. Data collection, where you get to browse the web and collect different information. You may check other tasks they offer here on the training center. The good thing about this is it doesn't have a minimum payout. They will pay you whatever amount you have gained weekly. Here are some of my proof of payments from Remotasks. Just a quick tip. If you want to earn continuously on this website, try to complete more training courses you can complete in different categories. Remember, one who can pass a lot of exams will have a lot of tasks to do and make more money. Leader tasks, segmentation, reviews, cuboid tasks are generally high-paying tasks, so try to complete them. This website is not a good source, but it will only provide just a passive source of income. If you're interested, you may sign up on the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Please take care.